Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to appeal a PUBG Mobile account ban. First, open PUBG Mobile and check the message explaining why your account was restricted. If you believe the ban was issued by mistake, then use the game's official customer service or appeal option. Then provide the information requested, including your account details and an explanation of the issue. If you're asked for additional information to verify ownership, then provide only the information requested through the official support channel. And do not use third-party services claiming they can instantly remove a ban. And don't download modified versions of PUBG Mobile to try to bypass an account restriction. If the ban is temporary, you may need to wait until the stated restriction period ends. So, the legitimate way to recover a banned PUBG Mobile account is to use the official appeal and support process. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.